I welcome here with me Maria Ruz. You are working at the Chilean Economic Development Agency, which is short-deed Corfo, and you're one of the organizers of this conference where we are here. It's the Solar World Congress and the Solar Heating and Cooling Conference, which takes place in Santiago de Chile. I would like to know whether you are satisfied with this event.
Absolutely. It was really an honor to be part of the organizer of this committee, of this conference. And so many people and interesting people coming here to share their knowledge about the renewable energies and in particular about solar energy.
Chile has a far-reaching goal, actually. You want to become a carbon-neutral country until 2050. So what is the role of Corfo, of your agency, in this process?
Well, the goal is a very ambitious goal, and it's a goal in between the public sector and the private sector. Corfo is in the part of the public sector, and the ideas there is how are the innovation that we need for reaching that goal. And from the private sector, it's clear that the companies cannot be dealing as they are dealing now. They need to move for more sustainable solutions. So the goal is a compromise for the private companies and especially for the mining companies in Chile.
You are working at Corfo and you are heading the Solar and Energy Innovation Committee. And there you are the Technology Development Director. Your committee, is this really supporting the private sector to find the right solutions for this carbon neutrality?
Right. We start on 2015 when we built a roadmap for solar energy in Chile. At that time, no solar plants were installed in Chile. Actually, we have 2.4 gigawatts of solar plants installed. It's not direct the effect of our committee, but we help to the companies to have, the Chilean companies to have an important role on that. If not, it will be just a business for international companies. We need local development related to the solar energy in Chile.
Do you have special takeaways that you personally take away from the conference?
It's very important what the conference conclude about, that we commonly talk about the 20% that is just electricity concerning the CO2 emissions, etc. We need absolutely to work in transport solutions, innovation solutions in transport, and also in industrial demand, heat and cool. So it's very important to lift this message for all the participants.
Thank you, and congratulations again to a really good event.
Thank you. Thank you.